Inkampani ehlinzeka ugesi kwidolobha eGoli iCity Power isiphendulile kuzikhalo zezakhamizi zaku wadi 39 ezimayelana namalambu Omgwaqo anenkinga kulandela ukuthi umphakathi wale wadi ukhale ngokuthi usuhlale ebumnyameni iminyaka. Lezi zakhamizi eziholwa ikhansela lika wadi 39 uLifa Modise zithi ukungabibikho kwalamalambu sekubeke nomthelelo omkhulu ekwandeni kobugebengu kule ndawo, zaveza ke nokuthi zifuna kungenelelwe masinyane kule nkinga. Kanti ke lo okhulumela iCity Power Igxeka uthi ke inkinga enkulu ngeyokucekelwa phansi kwempahla, wabeke seveza ukuthi noma ngathi ke uhlu lwezikhalazo noma ngathi ke lweinyathelo umukeli abayithathayo ukulungisa le nkinga.
Kwiveki ephelileyo uceba kaWadi 39 uLifa Modise ukhokhele abahlali ukuya kwii-ofisi zeCity Power eSoweto ukuphakamisa ingxaki yezibane zezitalato abathi sele kuyiminyaka zingasebenzi, bekwaxeka neCity Power ngokusilela ukubanceda. Xa kungoku iCity Power iphefumla kulomba inika inkcazelo.
That cannot be true because we've got a dedicated depot within Soweto in Klapspruit that is focused only on dealing with street light maintenance in Soweto only, and colleagues in that depot have always been hard at work to ensure that they keep the lights on within Soweto and the surrounding areas. And we do have even their logbooks where they basically do the spotting at least twice a month to ensure that they drive around the streets at night to pick on those streets lights that are not working.
Ukufumana umkhombandlela iCity Power ithi ikwiphulo lokuza nezisombululo zesigxina.
In terms of vandalism, there are a lot of things that we are trying to do. One of those is to, we've done a research around the lights. We've got a dedicated team of research and developers within City Power. So we always try to find solutions, long-lasting solutions to keep the lights on, as it were, and to make sure that the communities are safer. So one of the things that we are doing is to remove, to cap the theft of the covers on the streetlight poles, to move the breakers from the floor to higher up, so that someone has to climb up to be able to reach those covers.
Kumba ukonakaliswa kweziseko iliqumrhu libongoza abahlali ukuba baxele abo babandakanyekayo. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eOrlando West.
Khona manjalo iCity Power isinxuseke izakhamizi ukuthi zibike ukwetshiwa kanye nokucekelwa phansi kwengqalasizinda kagesi lapho exese khona ngokuthi ke lobu bugebengu buyaqhubeka nokuphazamisa ukulethwa kwengqalasizinda emphakathini. Le nkampani ithi ke imiphakathi neqhaza elibalekile okumele ilibambe kuvikelweni kwalengqalasizinda yomphakathi njengoba ke laba benza lobu bugebengu bavame ukubuya kuyo le umphakathi esuke inenkinga.
The partnerships that we have built with the communities are also assisting, where we've seen a lot of criminals that have been arrested for vandalizing the electricity infrastructure, including the street lights, being reported by the residents themselves, because most of them know them, they live among them, or they would have seen them carrying these street lights. So those are some of the things that we're doing to ensure that we kept this. But there are certain instances, especially even around Soweto, where you find that people are illegally connecting on the street lights. So the malfunctioning of the street lights is primarily because of the illegal connections that are happening on those street lights. So when Eskom switches off certain households and they don't have power for some time, they then go straight to the street lights and they connect themselves there. Also those that are in informal settlements, we've seen them basically doing that. So that light will no longer work properly, and you will end up basically not actually even having electricity at all on that light. So those are some of the challenges that we are facing. But we believe that with some of these interventions that we've already started implementing, not only in Soweto but across the city in non-affluent areas, they are starting to bear fruits, and I think we'll continue to roll out some of those street lighting in those areas. We also have started, I think for the past 2 years, we started installing the solar high masts. These are not really the replacement of the old Apollo lights, but they are basically more technologically advanced and even more sustainable than the old ones. So we have been installing most of those across the city of Johannesburg, and many are also installed here in Soweto.